So I want to show off this. This is the Giraffe Tools 100 feet hose that comes with an automatic rewindable hose reel here. Now this product was given to me by Giraffe Tools, but the opinions on it are my own. So let me talk about some of the things I like about it. One of the things I like about it is made to swivel. So you look at it here, turned at an angle, but you can twist it to line the hose up in the direction you want to pull out to where you're not pulling, you know, across the hose, if you will. It comes with this leader hose to connect it, and you see here how it just connects up to the side there, and then it's got the 100-foot hose on there. Again, the automatic rewinder, the way it works here, you've got the stopper here. So if I'm going to pull it out right here, then it's going to wind in and it's going to stop it when it gets there. Also comes with a nozzle here that you can, you know, take off if you don't want to use that, but it's got 9 different settings. The hose itself, 1/2 inch diameter. What I want to do here is pull it out and just, I want to test essentially the rewind function and see how well that works. It also comes with ground stakes you want to mount to the ground. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the water on and just give you a little demonstration of it, how it's working here. You can see here, I've got pretty good water pressure in this situation. Now I'm not going to pull out 100 feet of hose here, but you can see I'm just pulling it out. And at any point I want to stop, I can stop, and it's locked in right there in that position. Okay, so I can, and then I can start, and I can pull out further, or just let it stop. Now, if I give it an extra second tug, a little tug, then it's going to start to rewind itself back in, and I'm walking back with the hose. So you see here, the nozzle I've got on the shower setting, but I'm just walking back in. So the convenience of not having to, actually let me turn the water off. To me, the convenience of this is not having like a situation like this where you've got a long hose laying on the ground and you're trying to wind it to make it look all neat. It's just going to automatically wind itself back in, so it's not laying everywhere. So the rewind function works very, very well on this. Again, a 1/2 inch diameter hose, so you know some hoses are 3/4 inch, 5/8 inch. So just understand this one may be thinner than some of them, but as far as the pressure goes, there's good pressure, and it does feel like a quality hose. But overall, it does get really good reviews on Amazon, and I like the way it performs, particularly the rewind function, which is what I was most interested in.